Now if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume you've already seen my last video of how I made this money, how I grew this account, or rather how I made $150 within minutes. Now it is quite easy, guys, very easy. There's really no big thing about it. It's not rocket science. It's very easy. I can do this. First of all, like I said in my last video, I used two strategies. I used the EMA settings I sent on my previous video, and I used the cost strategy. It is very easy to understand. Hopefully you can do this. You can do this. As you can see right here, it's a real account, and you can see the losses I use quite minimal in relation to my account size. My account is about $1,000, so using this loss size of 0.4, it's very small and very simple. And I always advise you guys, use proper risk management. It doesn't matter how accurate you think or you know the signal is, use proper risk management, because one wrong turn you blow your account. But as you can see here, I held this trade. I held to each single trade got about $6. That's to tell the confidence I had on this signal, because I just did not use or rather jump into the market. I used two particular strategies which I will explain in this video. Like I said in my last video, first I jumped in with the EMA settings, the EMA awesome EMA settings I sent on my last video. So I saw the signal, but I was already late on it, and I thought, what can I do to take this trade? Should I jump into it? Because in my trading plan, I always say you're not here to gamble with your money. If you lose at entry, forget about it. Wait for another entry or another confirmation, and that's what I did. You understand? So I had to open my bought my God's Eye trading strategy, the bot. So what I did is I looked at it and I'm like, there's another entry here, or rather this trade can go for a very long time. You understand? I saw it go for a very long time, so I exploited that opportunity. And I'll show you in the next in a few minutes why I stayed on that trade, the confidence I'm missing on that trade. Because normally if you're using the EMA settings, I would have been off this market by now. It's a scalping strategy, you understand? But I held this trade because I knew it was going to go for a very long time. Look, you can see from $63 to $150. This is a real account, guys. This is a real account. You can see right there. You can see it right there, guys. It's a real account. Now you can see right here. You can see how long I took this trade. You can see the length it went. You see, like I said in my EMA settings video, if I'd used just the EMA, I would have left this market by now. Same thing here. You can see it was going to the level of the spike where you buy the spike. For using just my EMA, just the EMA, I would have left this market by now. Do you understand? Look, this is about 14 to 20 candles, guys. 14 to 20 candles. Now let me explain something here for you, like why I said I would have left this market if I was with my EMA. Look, now just like I've been mumbling for the past 2 to 3 minutes, this is the reason why I could have not taken this trade if I used just the EMA settings. Because as you can see in this EMA settings right here, the trade has met the level which is the spike level, and I did not intend catching spike. I wanted to take trend. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm actually a trend trader. I don't really like taking spike because it's not really predictable and you're going against the market. They always say the market is your friend, and I'd advise you to also use such doctrines in your trading life. So like I said, if I want to catch spike, I would have opened a position here. I would have opened the position right here where it missed the strong buy level to catch spike. But you can see I'm taking the trend all to this way. Now the reason why I did this is because when I opened my PC, guys, when I opened my PC and I looked at the God's Eye strategy, there was a signal, a pending signal that's been there, but I did not take it. Like I said, I got into the market quite late. I had a very busy day, guys, a very busy day. So what happened is, while I was free, I'm just like, let's look what we can make from the market today. This account, I've been growing it since I think $30. I got to $100, then 200. It was just going up, and then I used the scalping bot, the God's vision strategy, to get it to $600. It's my look. It's this whole journey has been in my video. You can see from my past videos, $100, $200, and I got it to $600. And recently I got to $1,000. And like I said, if you're not in my if you're not in my Telegram channel, links are in the description below. Join my Telegram channel. We post free signals every day. Well, that's if I get enough reaction from you guys, because it's free. It's not a paid group, although I actually have a paid group where I send 45 signals daily. The stuff I send, they are not edited. We've only had 2 losses in 2 months. 2 losses in 2 months. Like, you see the text, you won't say I deleted the message. It's been stated there. We've only had this loss in a month and this loss in a month. You see the text, so you cannot say it is altered. You see how many people view it. Everything in my Telegram channel is quite transparent, so you don't think it's been dubbed or it's a fake scam channel like you've been saying otherwise. So like I said there, if you've watched my video, you understand that if I wanted to take this trade, I wouldn't have taken it. I would have opened for a spike level. Because right now this trade is at the spike zone, guys. It's at the spike zone. Okay, as you can see, we're making good money. From this. It's very easy. And if you have my trading plan, I'm just saying this, I'm singing like a song, because actually if you have my training plan, you have your 1 hour session with me. Well, I'll call you and I'll explain the training plan for you and explain certain principles and secrets of boom and crash, when you should enter a market and when you should exit the market, because most of you do not know when to exit. A little spike happens and you just close the trade with losses. I don't use stop loss when I'm trading boom and crash, because the market is unidirectional. It means the market will always go back to your entry point or even take profit point. You just know when you should exit, if you should stay on the trade. If you go to my Telegram channel, you see it there. Whenever a spike happens, I tell them hold your trade. They don't close it. You will be stupid to close in the loss. I'll tell you hold. Let's say I used a loss size of $1 and I'm trading and I had a spike happened and I'm minus $20. Of course I'm not going to close in minus $20, guys. I'll hold it at least till that level gets to even minus $5. That's quite minimal. That's what I tell them. Do not close your trade, wait, and I'll tell them when to close it. I give almost 3 times signal and tell you close on this point. If you do not close on this point, I'll tell you again close on this point, and if you do not close, I'll give another one. While I'm giving the signal, I'm telling you if I'm going to close or not, if I'm going to hold that trade or not. It's as simple as that, guys. We are not here to gamble with our money. Look, we are not here to gamble on money, and I do not intend closing my trades on losses. No, I do not intend closing my trade on losses. All my trade, guys, just check them out. All my trade on the Telegram channel are on profit. I post when I send the signal, I post my own entries and my profits. My entries and my profits. I sell my profit last, because if I post, I have a $1,000 account. If I post me using 0.4 loss, I might push or probe some people to do the same. So I don't send it here, so you can decide your loss size by yourself. So my loss size does not influence the trade you're taking. You understand? Look, trading is quite easy. You just need guidance. Send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. My contacts are in the description below. Send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram and I'll guide you. Like I said, if you have my trading plan, you have a 1 hour session with me. I'll tell you the secrets of boom and crash markets, when you should enter the trade and when you should exit the trade. It is quite easy. All you need is guidance. Look, if you're not on my Telegram channel, join that Telegram channel now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a way of motivating me, guys, supporting the channel. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel and I'll see you in my next video, guys. See you guys.